There.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Bobby. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Yes. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ako naman yung mas mabilis. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. One more time. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy Pansya. Happy birthday, Javi. 1, 2, 3, and go. Yeah, hey! Palakpakan naman natin si Javi. Oo, ang bago ang happy birthday celebrant. Ay, naiiyak. Naiiyak siya. Dahil naiyak si Javi, tapos na po yung party. Makakaliwala. Si Mami kasi sinurprise siya.
Nagulat siya.
Tuwa siya. Happy birthday! Iboto Grace! Ang saya! Get out! Go! Ang bilis! 1, 2, 3, 4! Kamay sa dibdib. Uy, hindi yan narinig. Happy birthday to you. Louder! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you. One more time! Happy birthday to you. Ang hindi daw kumanta, babayaran yung kinain! O, diba? Mami lahat kumanta na. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Javi! Happy birthday to you! And this time, gusto ko naman yung mas mabilis at mas malakas na! Hey! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! One more time! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Hey! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Tapos na Jollibee, taman! Huy! Alright, and this... Javi, close your eyes. Pag dilat mo, wala ng tao. Close your eyes. Make a wish.
Go, tell them your wish.
Wish, yeah, Mike.
Tell them your wish. Oh,
Ayan, gusto daw niyo ng iPhone 17 Pro Max fully paid 1 terabyte. Okay, blow your birthday candle. 1.
Go.
I cannot reach it.
Go, reach it the other side.
Yay! At dahil sis, ano yung Jalby? Family picture. Ikaw muna papalit kay daddy daw. Ayun.
Ready to grow up na maging mabait. Kasi sa lahat siya talaga yung pinaka-mabait sa kids eh. So I hope maging ganun siya and mahanap namin yung sport niya kasi hindi namin alam anong pwede sa kanya. Sabi ni Doc, chess na lang daw. Jerry, chess tayo. So yun lang, and I hope you pray for him na maging healthy and happy siya until he grows up and tuloy-tuloy yung pagiging mabait niya na bata. And maraming salamat sa inyong lahat for coming here to celebrate with us.